In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIF to Convertkit. Diving into the world of email marketing with Convertkit can be an exciting journey. It becomes even more engaging when you incorporate GIFs into your emails, making them pop and capturing your audience's attention. So, let's walk through how you can seamlessly add a GIF to your Convertkit emails. Let's begin by navigating to Convertkit's homepage. Convertkit is a powerful tool for email marketing that enables you to connect with your audience in creative ways. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is a simple step but crucial for accessing the myriad of features that Convertkit offers. After entering your email and password, log in to access your dashboard. Convertkit's dashboard is where all the magic happens. It's the command center for your email campaigns. From here, your journey to adding a spirited GIF begins. Now locate the send button on your dashboard. It's designed to direct you to the various email campaign options available. In this case, you want to opt for broadcasts, which is essentially an email blast to a large segment of your audience or your entire list, depending on your preference. Broadcasts are perfect for newsletters, updates, or any content you want to share widely. Upon selecting broadcasts, you'll see an option to create a new broadcast. Clicking this sets the stage for crafting your email. You'll be tempted to dive straight into writing, but let's focus on adding that captivating GIF first. In the editor, locate the image option. This is your gateway to enriching your emails with visuals. After clicking on image, you'll see the replace option. This is where you decide to swap the placeholder image for something more dynamic, like a GIF that resonates with your message. The next step involves choosing the desired GIF file from your computer. Click on Choose an image to upload, which opens your File Explorer. Navigate through your files and select the GIF destined to make your email come alive. This step is all about adding personality and vibrancy to your emails, ensuring they stand out in a crowded inbox. Once you've selected the perfect GIF, it's time to bring your email to life. With your GIF uploaded, you can proceed to draft your email, knowing that this visual will add a spark to your message. Incorporating GIFs can make complex information more digestible, emphasize key points, or simply bring a smile to your audience's faces. While the primary focus today was on adding a GIF, it's important to balance visuals with valuable content. Ensure your message is clear and your call to action is strong. The right GIF can enhance your message, but the substance of your email is what drives engagement and action. Before you send your email out into the world, take a moment to preview it. This step is crucial for catching any typos, ensuring your formatting is on point, and verifying that your GIF plays correctly across different devices. Testing and tweaking at this stage can make all the difference in the effectiveness of your email campaign. Now you're ready to schedule or send your broadcast. With a compelling message and an engaging GIF, your email is set to make a splash. Remember, the key to successful email marketing lies in understanding your audience and continuously refining your approach based on feedback and performance metrics. In summary, adding a GIF to your Convertkit emails can be a game changer, adding an element of fun or conveying your message more effectively. Today, we walked through logging into Convertkit, selecting a broadcast, and incorporating a GIF into your email. This process not only enhances your emails, but also enriches your audience's experience, making each message you send a delightful surprise in their inbox. That wraps up our guide on adding a GIF to Convertkit. Experiment with different GIFs to find what resonates with your audience, and don't be afraid to get creative. Happy emailing, and until next time, keep engaging your audience in memorable ways.